Assalamu alaikum. We are going to learn about properties of 2D shapes. Now here we have some 2D shapes with us: octagon, hexagon, rhombus, semicircle, square, triangle, rectangle, and circle. Now we are going to classify 2D shapes according to vertices and the number of sides. Vertices are points where two lines meet, and sides consist of straight lines. Let me show you. I have a shape here and it is called a pentagon. These are its sides, and these points where two lines meet, these points are called vertices. Now let's count how many sides it has and how many vertices. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices. These are what lines look like. We need a minimum of 3 lines to make a shape. A hexagon has 6 sides and 6 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A rectangle has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. These are the sides, and these points where the lines are meeting are vertices. An octagon has 8 sides and 8 vertices. Let's talk about a circle. It has no sides, no straight sides, and no vertices. Because there are no straight sides which can meet each other, sometimes we can say that a circle has one curved side, only one curved side. A square has 4 sides and 4 vertices, just like a rectangle. Now let's talk about what are regular shapes and what are irregular shapes. Regular shapes have same angles on the inside and same sides. The length of the sides is the same. Irregular shapes, angles are not the same and side length is not the same. Now here we have a regular shape, which is a hexagon, and here we have an irregular hexagon. Now let me tell you what is an angle. An angle is the amount of this opening between these two, any of the two lines. Sometimes the opening is big and sometimes they are close. Now look at this hexagon. All the angles in this shape are the same. They are opened to the same extent. But in this shape, some of the angles are the same, but not all. Some of the angles are different. So this means if the angles are different, the shape is an irregular shape. Now let's look at the sides. The sides, all the sides in this shape are the same. They have the same length, but in this shape, the length of these lines is not the same. Look at this square. It has the same sides, same length of the sides, and all angles are the same, which makes it a regular shape. Now look at this rectangle. Even though it has all the matching angles, all the angles are the same, but still it is an irregular shape. Why? Because the sides are not the same. Two sides are of the same length and these two sides are not of the same length. Now this is a regular octagon and this is an irregular octagon. Why? Because it has all the sides are same, and in this octagon the length of all the sides is not the same and the angles are different also. All these shapes are regular shapes and all these shapes are irregular.